you're experiencing high ping on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically offers low latency compared to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, ensure you're close to the router and that there are no obstructions. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background on your Steam Deck. These applications can consume bandwidth and increase ping. Check for updates or downloads that might be using your internet connection. Step 3. Change server region. In Steam, navigate to your settings and check the server region you are connected to. Switching to a server that is geographically closer to you can help reduce ping. Select a different region and test your connection. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Access your network settings on the Steam Deck and adjust them for gaming. Enable quality of service QoS settings on your router if available, which prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of data. Step 5. Use a VPN. If you are still experiencing high ping, consider using a VPN that is optimized for gaming. A good VPN can sometimes provide a more stable connection by routing your traffic through less congested paths. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while using your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming.